a bit unreal to have this bike together with the Desert X. But I'm the owner of a V100 Mandello S. I can't believe it. So in this video I want to give you the reason or tell you why I chose this bike and why I chose to sell my Moto Guzzi V100S and why I'm selling my 1200 Sport and why I'm selling my BMW R1200 RTB. Because to be simple, to be short, this bike has it all. This bike can do everything except for off-roading, and that's why I bought this bike. So my Ducati Desert X will be the off-road bike, the long distance travel bike, which can also do off-road of course, and this bike is just everything else. Short day trips, long distance travel without off-road, going to the mountains, doing twisties, going to work, just doing everything I can. Yeah, I'm so happy with this bike. So as you have probably seen in my previous video, in the bike review video, I've had the chance to unbox this bike, which was quite an experience. It was pretty weird to do an unboxing of my own new bike. I also transported it in the warehouse with a forklift truck, so that was quite exciting. I'm allowed to drive it, but it was a long time ago. So having a 20,000 euro bike in the forklift is pretty exciting. My plans for this bike, of course this will not be a bike like the Desert X that I will completely change into every detail. This bike will, yeah, how do you say that? I will try to keep it as original as possible, but of course I'm going to do some add-ons on the bike. Let's see, where do we need to go? I think I'm going, is this a dead end? I'm not sure. It's not a dead end, I think. I did one big change on the bike. One change that I'm absolutely sure that it needs to be done on this bike. So I did it. I asked for it, and I also installed 2 accessories from the factory, and I'm going to tell you about that if I'm showing you the bike. Okay, so this is the bike after picking it up. So if you notice, the first upgrades are already installed. We got the golden wheels or bronze and the heated comfort seat, because yeah, it gives me a little bit more leg room. Ah, what an awesome bike. So as I said, I'm planning some upgrades but not too much. So I'm thinking about improving the golden accents on this bike, or bronze accents, so giving a little bit more bronze, maybe removing the orange color, installing some crash guards, crash bars, something to protect the engine on the front because it does get a lot of road grime, maybe a fender extender, radiator protector, bar and mirrors. There's a lot coming, so stay tuned. Love it. Yeah, that's it. Short video, so it's not a first impression video because we did that already. I'm going to do a little review in about, I think, 1 or 2 months, an ownership review, and I'm going to upgrade it with some little parts but not too drastically. So if you want to see more of this Moto Guzzi V100 content, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, and if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions you can comment down below, and I will see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.